Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to make Greek yogurt in an Instant Pot that will taste better while also being healthier and more cost effective than store-bought yogurt. Let's get to it. Making yogurt does take some time, but it is relatively simple and all you need is two ingredients: milk and plain yogurt, which you will use as a starter. My Instant Pot has a handy yogurt button, but even if yours doesn't, you can still make it work. I put a link in the description for instructions without the yogurt button. Make sure you are starting with a clean pot. If you just steam some vegetables, you might end up with broccoli flavored yogurt. The milk I'm using is whole milk because it will make the yogurt creamier, but you can use whatever you would like. I have not tried it, but I have read that this method will even work with almond milk. I'm pouring in a gallon of milk, but a half gallon is also fine. After putting on the lid, you can leave the vent open or sealed in my experience. Press the yogurt button until it reads boil, and after about 30 minutes, the Instant Pot will beep several times to let you know that it's done. Check the temperature to make sure the milk has reached 180 degrees, then remove the pot and place it on the counter to let it cool down. After an hour or so, the milk should be between 105 and 115 degrees. A skin will have formed on top, which you should remove. Next, you will mix in the starter. The first time you will probably need store-bought yogurt, but after that, I saved some yogurt from the previous batch to use as a starter. You need 2 tablespoons for a half gallon of milk, but I honestly don't measure and just mix in a big spoonful of starter until there aren't any more clumps. Then, place the inner pot back into the Instant Pot, close the lid, and press the yogurt button until it reads 8 hours. After 8 hours, your yogurt is ready to eat, but you can see that it is pretty thin. I like to put my yogurt through a strainer to make thick Greek yogurt. I make this fairly often, so I bought this fancy strainer, but in the past I have used cheesecloth. The longer you strain the yogurt, the thicker it will be, but I have found that overnight gives me a consistency that is just right. You may want to add some type of sweetener because plain yogurt is very tangy. You can add honey, sugar, stevia, or whatever else you would like. Just make sure not to go too crazy because we want to keep this healthier than store-bought yogurt that is loaded with sugar. I like to mix in a little vanilla extract, fruit, and granola, but again, feel free to experiment with your favorite flavors. Let me know down in the comments if you would like me to make more recipe or nutrition videos. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.